The Public Chamber Opposition Coalition held discussions on Azerbaijan's Euro-Atlantic integration. At the beginning of the event, Chairman of Azerbaijan Popular Front Party Ali Karimli declared that this direction of integration is important for Azerbaijan's national development, and on this issue Azerbaijan needs help from European Union. Keynote speaker Leyla Aliyeva, head of the Center for National and International Studies, said that Azerbaijan had great potential to transition into European Union membership. The speakers claimed that in comparison to Turkey, Azerbaijan has a better chance of EU membership. The EU is attracted by the country's small population and natural resources. In reality, said the conference, the Baku government doesn't seem especially interested in Azerbaijan's integration into Europe, and it's not attempting to change the status quo. Of the 6 Eastern Partnership countries, Azerbaijan ranks only above Belarus in terms of building political dialogue with the EU. Belarus and Azerbaijan are the only countries that are not members of the World Trade Organization. Although the European Union gave Baku officials a number of grants for carrying out democratic reforms, they have not yielded sufficient results. Then the attendees opened discussions on the issues. On the numerous problems related to human rights, freedom of media, political freedom, the speakers blamed the Azerbaijani government. They also said that international organizations are not asking enough from the government.